So I've got some pork belly, ginger, garlic, mushrooms, oyster sauce, soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce. This is fantastic. What we're going to do is we're going to boil the pork first with some lovely spices, fry it, and then get it in the wok with everything. A couple of minutes, it's done. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Fried Chinese pork with mushrooms in oyster sauce. Let's go. Okay, let's get started. So I've got a pot here, and you can use a saucepan. I'm using this so you can see it really clearly. Heat is on. In there I've got a couple of centimeters of water. Here is our pork belly, which I've cut into those sort of sizes. You see we've got the skin on there. We're going to drop in a little bit of cinnamon stick, some black peppercorns, cloves. Now these are like a teaspoon each, they're very small amounts. Salt, a couple of pieces here of ginger. If you want, put some dried chili in there, whole dried chili, and some whole garlic. What we're going to do is we're going to bring that to a boil, and then we're going to let it go for about 10 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Now what we've done there is we've got that pork well on its way, and we've pumped loads of lovely flavors in there. You can get some star anise in there, garlic, like I said, a few other things, dried chili if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to drain that off, set that aside, and then we can move on. Okay, so back in the pan, I've now got some corn oil in there. There's our pork, that's going to go in. And I've taken the ginger, the peppercorns and so out. What we need to do now is fry this for about 6 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. What we have here is some beautiful, moist inside, crispy on the outside, as you can see, pork. Really, really lovely. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to fetch all this out. As you can see, I'm doing this while I'm chatting. And then the oil, I'm going to reduce it down by about 80 or 90%. We're going to be using some of that for the next step. And we want to use this because it does have some wonderful flavor in it. So let me get this out, and then we can move on. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so you can see I've emptied out a lot of the oil. We're going to now drop in some ginger, nice fresh sticks of fresh ginger there. We're then going to go in with some sliced onion. Optional, but I love this in there. A little bit of celery. And then a tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're on quite a high heat. What I'm going to do now is add a little bit of black pepper, and then we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. So fabulous. Here we go. We're going to go back in now with our pork. We're going to add our mushrooms. It's like 150 grams of white mushroom there. As you can see, I've just sliced that up. Very simply, we're going to go for about 4 minutes again on this high heat. Keep it moving. We're not far off now, and this is going to be absolutely wonderful. So tasty. Okay, ready for the final stage. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of soy. Now I've got a dark soy, you could use light if you want. This is fish sauce. And you may have noticed that I haven't added any salt to this. We put the pepper in, but no salt. That's because the fish sauce is very, very salty. Then we're going to go with the oyster sauce, a splash of water, three minutes, high heat. This is ready. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. I just finished that with some green onions, spring onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. That is perfect. It really is delicious. The process we went through, the boiling, then the frying, makes a world of difference. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.